So, dear students, in this example, I am going to explain the ARC algorithm through example. Before that, we have to learn what is a spurious hit in ARC algorithm. Already, you know, in ARC algorithm, we have to find hash code for the pattern and hash code for the window. If both hash code of pattern is equal to hash code of the window, then we go for checking the individual characters of the pattern with the window characters. Okay, then what is spurious hit? If hash code of the pattern is matched with the Windows hash code in text but not matched with the corresponding letters of the pattern, this situation is called spurious hit. There are many hash codes of text windows matched but these are not pattern, then these are called spurious hits. So already we know we have to perform n minus m shift operations in string pattern matching in ARC algorithm. In each shift in ARC algorithm, we are going to do two steps. First one is compare the pattern hash code with the Windows text hash code. If both are equal, then go for checking the individual characters of the pattern with the Windows hash code. The spurious hit means if hash codes of the pattern is equal to Windows hash code but the individual characters of the pattern may not is not matched with the Windows character. This situation is called spurious hit. So when you do various shift operations, we may get several spurious hits. So we'll explain now ARC algorithm with the example. Now see the example here. The given test letters, test code is this one and numerical values. For example, we have a test CC, ACC, AAC, DBA and the pattern is DBA. Now we have to find the pattern matching with ARC algorithm. Now in ARC algorithm, what we are doing for this example is, already we know two things we have to do in ARC algorithm. First we have to find the hash code for the pattern and hash code for the window of a text. So initially we start with the finding the hash code. In this example, I have given a hash code is the sum of the individual digits, of the decimal values of the text. Now in this example, I have given the values for this. So in this example, I have given numerical values for the letters A to J. Now I have taken a text for this alphabets as this one and pattern is this one. Now I have to find hash code. Now I have defined a hash code function for this is sum of characters numerical values. So for example, pattern hash code. What is the pattern? DBA. So what is the numerical value of D? 4 plus what is the numerical value of B? 2 plus what is the numerical value of A? 1. Now hash code for this pattern is 7. Now hash code of window in text. What is the first window here? First three characters is the first window, CCA. Now CCA hash code is 7. Now window hash code is that hash code in text is matched with the pattern hash code, but here I have calculated hash code for the patterns. I got 7 as per the rule given and hash code for the window is 7. That means if hash code of pattern is equal to hash code of the window, then I have to go for checking the individual characters. Here individual characters DBA, here CCA. So both are not equal. So hash codes are matched but the individual characters are not matched. So this situation is called spurious hit. Now coming to find execute arc algorithm for this test and the given pattern. So here how many characters are there? See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 characters are there in text. And pattern 3 characters DBA. Pattern is 3 characters. Now how many shifts required for this? As for arc algorithm, n minus m. So n minus m means 11 minus 3, 8 windows you require. 8 windows you require. Now coming to the window 1. So in window 1, we take the window 1 characters are CCA, first 3 characters. Window 2, go to the second character onwards, 3 characters, CCAC. Next window 3, we take third character, from third character 3 characters. ACC, window 3 ACC. Next window 4, what is the window 4 we have to select from the text? Window 4 is fourth character, 3 characters from fourth, that means CCA. Next CAA, AAC, CDB, last DBA. Now we have selected 8 shifts. In each shift we are going to select one window from this text. This is an arc algorithm. Now for this each and every window we have to find what is the hash code. Now CCA, already we know C is 3, A is C is 3 again, A is 1, 7. Now window 1 hash code is 7 and pattern's hash code is 7. So hash code matched but not pattern. Pattern matram match kaledu. Next coming to the second window, again we have to find hash code. Second window, what is the text? CAC. That means C is 3, A is 1, C is 3, 7 again. For the same again here hash code matched but not pattern. So pattern characters DBA, but here window characters CAC. So hash code is common but individual characters are not matched. Coming to the window 3, ACC, that means 1 plus 3 plus 3, 7. Here again hash code is matched and but not pattern. Come to the next one, fourth window, CCA. Again hash code 7, hash code matched but not pattern. Next coming to the window 5, CAA, 3 plus 1 plus 1, 5. Hash code itself is not matched. Hash code, window hash code, pattern hash code match కాలేదు కాబట్టి ఇంకా ఇండివిజువల్ క్యారెక్టర్ చెక్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ come to here AAC, window 6, 1 plus 1 plus 3 equal 5. Hash code not matched. The hash code not matched, there is no question of verifying the individual characters. Next 7th window, hash code 9 not matched. Next 8th window, D4, B2, A3. So 4 plus 2 plus 3, 7. Now pattern matched. So for this hash code matched and pattern matched. So this is called valid shift. So in this example we got 4 spurious hits. So these are the 4 spurious hits where for this first 4 windows your hash code is matched with the Windows hash code but the individual characters are not matched. So in this example for the given a hash code we got 4 spurious hits and one pattern hit. That means one pattern find in text at a shift 7. At shift 7 we find the match. So this is an example of arc algorithm, how we are going to identify the windows for the given text. So based on the number of shifts, after identifying the individual windows we have to find find the hash code values, all the windows, and compare the windows hash code value with the pattern hash code. If both are equal, then go for the checking the individual characters. If at all both are equal, hash codes are equal and individual characters are not equal, then that is called spurious hit. So in this example we got 4 spurious hits and 4 invalid 3 invalid shifts and 1 valid shift. So this is an example how ARC algorithm use to find a pattern in the given string. I will explain one more example in the next video.